Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's market overview, we're going to look at gold, euro against the US dollar, British pound against the US dollar, and the NASDAQ index to break down where price may be headed this session. We're looking at the 1-hour time frame. Let's get into it. First up, let's look at gold on the higher time frame. We can see that daily candles remain bullish, giving us upside bias. Then we zoom into the 1-hour chart. Price is holding inside multiple 4-hour bullish fair value gaps, keeping us in discount levels. We also have a 1-hour bullish order block which price has just entered into. If we draw our level from the high of this candle, we can see that there is sell-side liquidity that's about to be swept. So this level is very key. Once this liquidity is swept, we can then check the 1-hour change in state of delivery to confirm if it is actually gonna continue bullishly or not. If it does, then we're looking for entry into long positions. So the next thing that we do is we wait for a pullback or a retracement into the previous 4-hour bullish fair value gaps. This gives us our entry zone. Once we get an entry, we are looking for execution into the daily highs above 3,560, and right now price is in this entry zone, so this is where we would be looking for long opportunities. Next up, let's look at British pound against the US dollar on the higher time frame. The daily chart, we can see that the bias remains bearish. But then when we zoom into the 1-hour chart, price is inside a 4-hour bearish order block with a 1-day bearish fair value gap overhead. So this is like a mini uptrend within the larger downtrend. Price has already swept the buy-side liquidity. The 1-hour change in state of delivery has just confirmed downside momentum. So what we are looking for now is retracements into the 4-hour bearish order block to take short entries, with the objective being the 1-day lows near 1.3330. Next up, let's look at the euro against the US dollar. On the daily chart, we can see that it's showing a sideways to bearish tone. But then on the 1-hour chart, price is trading between a 4-hour bullish fair value gap below and a 1-day bearish gap above. After price swept the buy-side liquidity, the 1-hour change in state of delivery confirmed downside order flow. So what we are looking for now is retracements into the 1-day bearish fair value gap for short setups, with delivery objective into the 4-hour bullish fair value gap near 1.1620. Last but not least, let's look at the NASDAQ on the higher time frame. We can see that daily candles lean bearish. On the 1-hour chart, price is trading between a 4-hour bullish order block below and stacked 4-hour bearish fair value gaps above. So similar to gold at the start, where we had multiple 4-hour fair value gaps, here we have multiple 4-hour fair value gaps acting as resistance. Price has just swept the buy-side liquidity, and the 1-hour change in state of delivery has just confirmed bearish continuation. So that pretty much wraps up today's market overview. Just a quick recap. The framework stays clear. Daily candles guide the bias. Liquidity sweep sets the trigger. 1-hour change in state of delivery confirms the flow. Retracements into 4-hour order blocks or fair value gaps give execution. Delivery targets daily highs or lows. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like. It really helps out the algorithm. See you all in the next video.